meteorologist Brian Briggs.
Well, happy Sunday afternoon to you. Hopefully you were able to get out and enjoy the beautiful weather that we were telling you about yesterday. Don't worry, the cold air was not going to be sticking around, and it surely did not stick around, at least not for most of us. We all pretty much warmed up here for today. Currently 63 degrees here in the Twin Cities, and a beautiful sky out there on our sky cam here. And just winds are light too, so all in all, really not too bad. And in addition to the nice weather, we also really didn't see too much in the way of precipitation. Here's our live storm tracker Doppler radar, and really not seeing anything out here. So we were maybe hoping to see a couple isolated showers out there for today, but guess just there was not enough upper level support for those to happen. But look at these temperatures though. You're seeing 60s across the majority of the ArkLaMiss. Poor Camden has been the cold spot for today. They've been in the upper 40s and really haven't changed too much. So they're the only ones that really haven't been enjoying our little bit of a taste of spring here. But this is going to be sticking around for a little while. I think we're done with the bitter cold here for at least the next few days or so. Temperatures across the Mid-South region, you can see very sharp contrast. Look at its upper 30s in Little Rock, and again, close to 70 down there in the further south you go. So warm, humid, that's going to be the case as we have an air mass coming in ahead of our next system. So water vapor satellite imagery yet again is messy today. We have a lot of cloud cover streaming in from the southwest here, and yeah, that's going to be just keeping our kind of skies mostly cloudy to cloudy here. And we also have an active jet stream pattern sitting over the ArkLaMiss. So let's kind of dive right into it. Here's system number one here. Look at that, a strong jet stream setting up for us for later Monday into Tuesday. This is system number one, and this one has pretty good dynamics with it and quite a bit of moisture. So we'll see some storm activity with this one, and that'll quickly push off to the northeast. Then system number two comes in from the west coast, and while this one looks a lot stronger, this one's going to be severely lacking moisture. So it has quite a bit of dynamics with it, but fortunately, it's not going to have a lot of moisture with it. It's not going to be doing a lot of storm activity with it. But actually, that's probably good news. We don't really need any more of the rain, at least for now. So get a little bit of a break for most of Monday, maybe some spotty shower activity ahead of this line. And as you can see, our future tracker is pushing a line through, mainly later during the evening to Monday. So southern Arkansas may see it around dinner time or so, and then pushing through the majority of the ArkLaMiss, mainly through the midnight hours into really early Tuesday morning. So that could bring the chance for some damaging winds and maybe an isolated tornado. So here's the SPC outlook for Monday late into Tuesday morning. Again, very low risk though. The vertical instability is just not there. There's a lot of horizontal dynamics with it, just not a lot of vertical. So that's good. That's going to keep our severe weather threat on the lower side. So for the next 7 days, temperature-wise at least, looking pretty nice. We really don't change too much during the week here, and kind of just some cooler days here and there. But I think the most important thing is we are pretty much dry. Just some minor rain chances here after that system moves through on Monday. So really not all too bad.
I am grateful.
Yes, me too.